Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to our live broadcast from Maxwell DeMille's Cicada Club here in Hollywood, California, where tonight we proudly present Cassie Miller and the Gold Standard. And now, here's your master of ceremonies, that man among men, Mr. Maxwell DeMille.
Thank you, and thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, Conrad Montebank.
My pleasure.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's a pleasure to be here tonight at the Cicada Club with the delightful Cassie Miller. Many of you may know her with her work with the Bill Elliott Swing Orchestra, but tonight we have her all to ourselves, ladies and gentlemen. So please welcome with a big round of applause, Cassie Miller and the Gold Standard.
Cassie Miller.
Thank you. Night and day, you are the one. Only you need the moon and under the sun. Whether near to me or far, it's no matter, darling, where you are. I think of you night and day, day and night. Why is it so that this longing for you follows wherever I go? In the roaring traffic's boom, or the silence of my lonely room, I think of you night and day, night and day, under the hide of me. There's an oh such a hungry yearning burning inside of me, and its torment won't be through till you let me spend my life making love to you, day and night, night and day. Night and day, under the hide of me, there's an oh such a hungry yearning burning inside of me, and this torment won't be through till you let me spend my life making love to you, day and night, night and day, day and night, night and Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, we like doing this one, and we hope you do too. Kind of a nice medium tempo for those of you that are taking note. Here we go, Sentimental Journey. Gonna take a sentimental journey, gonna set my mind at ease. Gonna take a sentimental journey to renew old memories. I got my bag, I got my reservation, spent each dime I could afford, like a child in wild anticipation. I long to hear that all aboard. 7, that's the time we leave at 7. I'll be waiting round for heaven, counting every mile of railroad track that takes me back. I never thought my heart could be so yearning. Oh, why did I decide to roam? I'm gonna take a sentimental journey, a sentimental journey home. I never thought my heart could be so yearning. Oh, why did I decide to roam? Gonna take a sentimental journey home. A sentimental journey home. Sentimental journey home. Thank you very much. Anybody know the Balboa? I used to. If you ever plan to motor west, travel my way, take the highway, that's the best. Get your kicks on Route 66. Well, it winds from Chicago to LA. More than 2,000 miles all the way. Oh, get your kicks on Route 66. You go through St. Louis, Joplin, Missouri, Oklahoma City, look mighty pretty. You'll see Amarillo, Gallup, New Mexico, Flagstaff, Arizona. Don't forget Winona, party tramp. Oh, get your kicks on Route 66. Well, you go through St. Louis, Joplin, Missouri, Oklahoma City, look mighty pretty. You'll see Amarillo, Gallup, New Mexico, Flagstaff, Arizona. Don't forget Winona, Kingman, Barstow, San Bernardino. Won't you get into this time of day when you make that California trip? Oh, get your kicks on Route 66. Get your kicks on Route 66. Get your kicks on Route 66. Oh, thank you guys. Thank you very much. I saw you get doing the Balboa there. It was very nice. Very, very nice. I love it. Okay. I think Frank Sinatra really made this the most famous, although a lot of people recorded it. Okay. We'll do that next. The boys are going to play one for you here. Okay, and it's called Green Eyes.
Ladies and gentlemen, the gold standard. And now it's time to bring back to the microphone our delightful songbird of the evening, the enchanting Cassie Miller. Say, Cassie, what have you got in store for us next?
Oh, some wonderful songs that everybody's going to know. And this next one, like I was saying, was sung, I think, most famously by Frank Sinatra. It's called I've Got the World on a String.
Cassie Miller.
B flat, right? B flat, world on a string. Two. I've got the world on a string. I'm sitting on a rainbow. Got the string around my finger. What a world, what a life. I'm in love. I've got a song that I sing. I can make the rain go anytime I move my finger. What a world, what a life. I'm in love. Life is a beautiful thing, as long as I hold the string. I'd be a silly so-and-so if I should ever let it go. I've got the world on a string. I'm sitting on a rainbow. I've got the string around my finger. What a world, what a life. I'm in love. A beautiful thing, as long as I hold the string. I'd be a silly so-and-so if I should ever let it go. I've got the world on a string. I'm sitting on a rainbow. I've got the string around my finger. What a world, what a life. Man, what a world, what a life. What a world, what a life. I'm in love. Thank you. And thank you, Jeffrey.
Cassie Miller and the gold standard, ladies and gentlemen. Say, folks, to cool yourself down, why not try a tempting cocktail courtesy of our benignly belligerent bartender, Max, at the upstairs mezzanine bar. Just a few steps up to the mezzanine, or by elevator, courtesy of Kid Watson, our trained elevator boy, will take you to a thirst-quenching land of delightful libations. Tonight, we suggest the once forbidden absinthe, now legal for your drinking pleasure, or one of the Cicada Club's signature, exclusive absinthe drinks like the Panchita. I've had 3.
We can tell, Conrad.
Get it while it's still legal, folks. Watch your drink prepared right before your eyes, thanks to our vintage absinthe fountain, used exclusively at the Cicada Club by Max, the benignly belligerent bartender. And now, back to our fantastic program starring Cassie Miller and the gold standard.
Thank you, Conrad Montebank.
Thank you, Maxwell DeMille.
Announcer extraordinaire, ladies and gentlemen. And we have a special surprise. Conrad will be appearing here next month for our Night of Vaudeville featuring the Rhythm Club All-Stars on April 12th, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to do something a little special here tonight at the Cicada Club, and Conrad promises to demonstrate something to us never before seen by any man now living.
I have a hula hoop, a donkey, and a violin.
Yes. Something evil, something hypnotic. We'll have to wait and see. And ladies and gentlemen, next week here at the Cicada Club will be the Hot Club Quintet and our tribute to Django Reinhardt, featuring our special vocalist, Miss Mather, our co-check girl.
No.
We're going to bring her up on stage and have her sing for you. And the following week...
She doesn't fight too hard.
Yes. Well, following week will be Richard Halpern's Roaring Twenties Review, where we present the world premiere debut of Kid Watson, the Dancing Elevator Boy.
Well.
Find out why he needs to dance. But now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for Cassie Miller and the Gold Standard.
Thank you, Maxwell. Okay, we're going to do a lovely ballad for you, so no excuses, everybody on the dance floor. Here it is, a wonderful song called But Beautiful. Love is funny, or it's sad, or it's quiet, or it's mad. It's a good thing, or it's bad, but beautiful. Beautiful to take a chance, and if you fall, you fall. And I'm thinking I wouldn't mind at all. Love is tearful, or it's gay. It's a problem, or it's play. It's a heartache either way. But beautiful. And I'm thinking, if you were mine, I'd never let you go. And that would be but beautiful. I know. Love is tearful, or it's gay. It's a problem, or it's play. but beautiful. I know. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay. Okay. Little more up tempo. Here we go. No, I need an intro. Sorry, guys. One more time for me. Missed the Saturday dance. I heard the crowd at the floor. Couldn't bear it without you. Don't get around much anymore. I thought I'd visit the club. I got as far as the door. Awfully different without you. Don't get around much anymore. Darling, I guess my mind's more at ease. But nevertheless, why stir up memories? I've been invited on dates. Might have gone, but what for? So awfully different without you. Don't get around much anymore. So awfully different without you. Don't get around much anymore. So awfully different without you. Don't get around much anymore. Very sweet. Thank you. Thank you. A flat. found you just in time. Before you came, my time was running low. I was lost, the losing dice were tossed, my bridges all crossed, nowhere to go. Now you're here, and I know just where I'm going. No more doubt or fear, I found my way. For love came just in time, you found me just in time, and changed my lonely life that lovely day. Just in time, I found you just in time. Before you came, my time was running low. I was lost and the losing dice were tossed. My bridges all were crossed. Nowhere to go. Now you're here, and I know just where I'm going. No more doubt or fear, I found my way. For love came just in time, you found me just in time, and changed my lonely life that lovely day. You changed my lonely life that lovely day. You guys are good. Okay. That was great. You guys are good. I'm going to do a nice ballad now. Give you a little chance to breathe. I love this song. It's called Embraceable You. Embrace me, my sweet embraceable you. Embrace me, you irreplaceable you. Just one look at you, my heart grew tipsy in me. You arms about you. Above all, I want my arms about you. So don't be a naughty baby. Come to Mama, do. My sweet embrace about you. About you. Above all, I want my arms about you. So don't be a naughty baby, come to Mama. Come to Mama, do. My sweet embrace about you. Thank you. Ready? Okay. So I think my husband Lee's going to play one, and then I'll jump right in. And here it is, Pennies from Heaven. It rains, pennies from heaven. Don't you know each cloud contains pennies from heaven? You'll find your fortune falling all over town. Be sure that your umbrella is upside down. Trade them for a package of sunshine and flowers. If you want the things you love, you gotta have showers. So when you hear it thunder, don't run under a tree. There'll be pennies from heaven for you and me. Every time it rains pennies from heaven. Don't you know each cloud contains pennies from heaven? You'll find your fortune falling all over town. Be sure that your umbrella is upside down. Trade them for a package of sunshine and flowers. If you want the things you love, you gotta have showers. So when you hear thunder, don't run under a tree. There'll be pennies from heaven for you and for me. There'll be pennies from heaven, pennies from heaven, pennies from heaven for you and me.
Ladies and gentlemen, the gold standard.
The gold standard.
Say, Conrad, how are you enjoying the show tonight?
I think it's wonderful.
And how are you folks out there enjoying the show? Everyone here at the Cicada Club is having a swell time. And say, you folks watching across the nation and around the world on the webcam, hello to you, and I hope you all are enjoying the show as well. We have the king of jazz, Jose from Memories, lots of folks watching.
Of course, it's more enjoyable with a delicious cocktail from upstairs mezzanine bar. I've had 3 more and I'm still standing.
Yes, Conrad Montebank, the human storm drain of alcohol, ladies and gentlemen.
Absolutely. My mother was a sponge. My daddy won the derby.
How does he do it? How does he say stay standing?
It's a miracle, but I've got these special shoes.
Yes, magnetic shoes, ladies and gentlemen. But here's someone with a magnetic personality for you. We've got time for one more song from the lovely Cassie Miller. And say, Cassie, what will you be ending your show tonight with?
It's a wonderful song, and it's an up-tempo for those of you that are paying attention. It is called It Could Happen to You.
It could happen to you. And
I
say,
certainly
folks,
hope it does.
this is the very first time Cassie is performing with this band. Tonight is their debut at the Cicada Club. How about a big round of applause?
Hide your heart from sight. Lock your dreams at night. It could happen to you. Don't count stars or you might stumble. Someone drops aside down your tumble. Keep an eye on spring. Run when church bells ring. It could happen to you. All I did was wonder how your arms would be, and it happened to me. Hide your heart from sight. Lock your dreams at night. It could happen to you. Don't count stars or you might stumble. Someone drops aside down your tumble. Keep an eye on spring. Run when church bells ring. It could happen to you. All I did was wonder how your arms would be, and it happened to me. All I did was wonder how your arms would be. Thank you, everybody. Ron Foyer on piano, Chris Connors on bass, Doug Matthews on drums, Lee Thornburg on the trumpet, and a special thank you to Maxwell, our host.
Let's hear one more time for Cassie Miller and the Gold Standard. Their very first time here at the Cicada Club and their very first time performing anywhere that I could even imagine. Thank you, Cassie. Thank you, fellas. Ladies and gentlemen, Conrad Montebank.
Thank you, Maxwell, and thank you, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you to those abroad and those at sea. You've been watching A Night at the Cicada Club, brought to you each and every week by means of electronic television. Join us next time for the Hot Club Quintet. This is yours truly, Conrad Montebank, for the Dumont Television Network.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, this is Maxwell DeMille wishing you all the best of good luck and good evening.